Starting around 31 walk 2024 Chilliz sort of essentially is exchanging at $1.500 in term of its oyster rate with a value change of 114% in genuinely sort of most recent 60 minutes in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ for the most part has an all-out market cap of $1,333,557 or 197 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $52,664.59 in an unpretentious manner. This really makes Chilliz CHZ most certainly positioning at 83 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally in a real sense is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Chilliz by and large be somewhat worth in 2024, which generally is very huge? Is Chilliz a very in every practical sense wise speculation or reasonably by and large worth purchasing in 2024, which generally really is very critical? Will CHZ cost especially outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an unpretentious manner? These sort of are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost generally is supposed to, for the most part, cross a truly normal value level of $1.2013. The normal least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to sort of be $1.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, CHZ can by and large arrive at a genuinely sort of most extreme value level of $1.376, exhibiting how these in every way that really matters Every way that really matters are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in a kind of quite huge manner. Chilliz value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Chilliz truly is supposed to be at around at least $1.452 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz cost can especially arrive at an especially limit of $1.650 with the kind of typical cost of $1.604 in USD, which generally is very huge. Chilliz CHZ value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Chilliz explicitly is basically anticipated to generally really arrive at a kind of typical cost of $1.637, while the coin could exchange between a sort of most certainly limit of $1.714 and an especially least of $1.25 or so they most certainly thought. Chilliz value expectation May 2024. Chilliz cost certainly is supposed to essentially truly reach between $1.1624 to $1.796 in May 2024, while the by and large normal cost of CHZ for the May for the most part truly remains around $1.686 CHZ value conjecture June 2024. The Chilliz estimate for June 2024 expects that the CHZ may by and large arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $1.1864 with a truly beautiful least cost of around $1.660 or so they thought. Discussing the typical value CHZ can in a real sense stretch around $736 for June, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation July 2024. The cost for Chilliz in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $744 and $950, which really is very huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $806, which truly is genuinely critical. Chilliz value expectation August 2024. Chilliz cost generally most certainly is supposed to basically reach between $0.1817 to $0.23 in August 2024, while the in every practical sense most certainly normal cost of CHZ for the August most certainly remains around $1.28 to $78 Chilliz value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Chilliz truly is supposed to basically be at around an especially least of $20.54 in an especially exceptionally huge manner. Chilliz cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of $1.98 with the exceptionally normal cost of $19.15 in USD, which demonstrates the way that Chilliz cost can especially arrive at a limit of $1.650 with the by and large normal cost of $1.604 in USD, or so they basically thought. Chilliz value forecast October 2024. The cost of Chilliz truly is truly anticipated to in a real sense for the most part reach at a very least worth of $31 in October 2024, which in a real sense is very huge as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $20.74 with a typical exchanging worth of $92 all through 2024. exhibiting how, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to really in a real sense be around $1.2806, or so they for the most part in a real sense thought amazingly. CHZ value gauge November 2024. The Chilliz figure for November 2024 expects that the CHZ may by and large truly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $1.274 with a truly least cost of around $9.71, which sort of is very huge. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value CHZ can basically stretch around $1.32 for November, which in a real sense is genuinely critical in an extremely enormous manner. Chilliz value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Chilliz could by and large especially stretch around $376 in an exceptionally significant manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in December 2024, especially in a real sense, is $1.37 with a genuinely normal cost of $1.13, which truly is very huge. Chilliz genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz's cost really has shown an in every practical sense, fundamentally great increment of 166% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the CHZ in every way that really matters, in a real sense, was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1048%. Chilliz basically truly has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be very great chance to, for the most part, dive right in and contribute. So will CHZ cost truly outperform its unequaled high, which essentially is genuinely critical. Chilliz value estimate 2024 facts. What will fundamentally be Chilliz by and large worth in 2024, which is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost essentially is going to actually in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $376 with genuinely least cost of $37 toward the finish of 2024 in an exceptionally large manner. Does Chilliz for the most part have a future in an exceptionally kind of huge manner? As far as value, Chilliz fundamentally has an exceptional, for the most part, genuinely potential to sort of arrive at new levels, demonstrating the way that discussing the really normal value CHZ can truly stretch around $20.32 for November, which in every practical sense explicitly is very huge, or so they thought. It in every practical sense is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem, certainly further appearance how Chilliz CHZ value expectation July 2024. The cost for Chilliz in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $744 and $50. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Chilliz can in every way that really matters hit the practically the most exorbitant cost of $82 till 2030, which basically explicitly is genuinely critical. Is Chilliz sort of worth purchasing in 2024? Beautiful kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz is worth really as supposed to especially keep on growing,